One day, every day is important. I said, let's go somewhere. So we just planned this trip.
There's a special, a very special one.
Everybody can do that in this whole trek. You can have small homestays that can be built up. What about the local people? So that, because I think now you guys are staying in tents, no?
We have one or two he has already built.
See. Yeah, so that's a Walling Hut is coming up.
That is another thing.
Yeah.
This one first seen for this ancient route bridge, ancient highway.
So I'll have to take up a separate project. But that is like a living root bridge museum is going to come up there.
Yes.
आप लोग कहाँ से हैं? मुंबई से आया मेरा दोस्त को सलाम करो. Yeah. Oh, this is the street. Comes from the market. All the garbage.